What's up, y'all? Sonny here. I'm pretending like I know how to replace this trim right here on my 2018 Chevy Trax. I was riding through. I used to own an Avalanche, and I was riding through in a rainstorm. I hit a huge puddle, thinking I was still in my Avalanche. Came out, and this was gone. So we're gonna replace it. Hopefully, this is the right part. Ordered this from Amazon. I have to blur out my address right there so y'all don't stalk me. Hopefully, it's good to go, and we'll see. Now I don't know exactly what tools I need to start this. So I have a wrench, I have some pliers, I have a flathead screwdriver, and I have brass knuckles. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna need, but we're gonna figure it out together, okay? All right, sweet. So we'll take the piece out, and my biggest fear, again, with the address, I don't want y'all stalking me, so I gotta blur that out. But my biggest thing was I was hoping this would not come broken, which doesn't seem to become broken. Not broken right there. All right, sweet. I feel like I gotta keep bending down so y'all can see me, that I'm actually a person talking, not AI. But we're going to take this out, put this here, and I already see a problem because a lot of my clips are missing. So that's going to cause some issue because it's supposed to slide right into there. So I'm gonna have to end up buying these clips instead and put it back on. So, but other than that, it's actually pretty simple. It slides in with these clips. So now I gotta figure out where I gotta buy these clips from. Because it's gonna go into here, and then it's supposed to lock in with all those clips that I'm missing several of. So, this video will be to be continued once I get these little plastic clips. So to prepare for when I get these clips in, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Now I don't know the exact process to remove them. There's a set of pliers and that flathead screwdriver that I was telling y'all about. And I'm pulling and I'm pressing the tab on the other side. So we'll see. I already got that one out, which is why I decided, hey, I should probably show y'all what I did. So I just pull it, push one side of the tab, just kind of wiggle it out of there. Because the new clips will have to go on the new piece. So they come out looking like that right there. And I'll just load up the new one with all new clips and pop it onto there. So might as well get started now. Get this part out of the way for when the clips come in tomorrow. Right? Oh, Sonny, you're so smart. Oh, okay, thank you. So kind of y'all to say that. There we go. Pull the other one out. It's just like pulling teeth out of your kid's head when they get loose, or when a doctor does, the dentist or whatever. Pull them out like that same way. So to show the science behind this real quick, since I got y'all here. All right, so this is the little clip. This clip, see how it has a little gap right there. Slides in like that. Let's see that. There we go. Slides in that gap, or you can slide it that way too. I guess that's probably the better fit. What is it? There we go. That's probably the better fit right there. So we'll slide them all in, and then we'll shove this little part. God, okay, this little part into the clips, and then slap it on. To be continued. All right. Update. The clips came with this thing. They're in this bag. I know it looks like a bag of meth because of the way the sun's shining, but trust me, they're clips. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together today. All right. Now y'all have to see my ugly face with this. I mean my pretty face. My goodness, my parents did not make ugly children. My sister's ugly, made an ugly child, but not ugly children. All right, so check this out. I'm gonna slide these clips on here into each individual little slot. Bam, slid in there. Slid in there. Slid in here. I guess it's supposed to click in there. There we go. You gotta make sure they click in. That didn't click in? No. Let's click that. Don't worry, I got it. Y'all don't have to worry about that. I got it. And slide that one in. That one didn't necessarily click, but it's in there. Slide it, click it. Click it or ticket. That's the motto of Texas. Has nothing to do with this, but y'all see what I'm saying. All right. And another one right there. God, all the ones slid in easy. Made me look tough. All right. That one slid in. That one slid in. Here we go. Some more. Now, there were 3 that were still attached to the vehicle. I took those off, obviously. That one didn't slide all the way through. That's all right. And for those of us who are mathematicians out there, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips is what is needed. So then right there, slide that one in. There we go. And then we're going to put this right onto this wheel well. All right, so this piece has a little, where's that? That little clip in there. It's going to clip right into this hole here. And then this one little slotted thing right here. There we go. There's focused. That's going to slide right into this piece. Then once those 2 pieces are in, we're going to put it on and just start popping it into there. So let's see. Fit that there. You want to make sure you're on top of this other piece here. That way it has that real clean look. And one piece already popped in. You can start falling in place here pretty easily, I hope. This one right here, we're gonna make sure this got a little stretch it a little bit. There we go. There we go. Put that in, that in, that in. This one did not exactly line up here. So I'm gonna slide one of them out of there because they didn't line up like all the rest did. But here we go. There we go. Good as new. Can't even tell except for the fact that it's way darker than the rest of my car. Other than that, looks great, doesn't it? Even you could do it. Yes, talking about you. Thank y'all for watching. Didn't even need my wrench.